Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can redeem your Spotify gift card. So without any further ado, let's get straight into it. So firstly, open up Spotify in the browser. Now after you reach the website, which will look something like this, you need to click on your profile. Then go to your accounts. Then a new tab will open. From here, you will need to scroll down. Now on the last option, you can see redeem, click on it. Now you can enter in your gift card code. You can either enter your PIN, which is on the back side of your gift card, or enter the premium code from your in-store receipt. Now after you enter the code, click on this I'm not a robot option. Then click on the continue button. So that's how you can easily redeem your Spotify gift card. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications because we upload similar videos like this every day. So in order to not miss any of these videos, make sure you are notified. That's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.